Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the third part of our free complete option trading course series. If you have not watched the previous parts, I highly recommend you watch those videos before you watch this. I will leave a direct link to the course playlist in the description box below. Now without further delay, let us get into today's topic. Traders, in today's video, we'll be discussing about expiry in option trading. This is a very important topic, so please pay complete focus and attention. Let us understand what is expiry in option trading. I will give you a very simple definition. In option trading, each trade is considered as a contract between the buyer and the seller. These contracts will have a start date and an end date. This contract end date is called as expiry. Each financial instrument will have different kind of expiry date. Let us understand that now. Now traders, if you're trading in stocks, you do not have any expiry. If you want, you can buy 1 stock, 10 stock, how much ever stock you want today, and you can keep it with you for 1 year, 10 years, lifelong you can keep it. But if you're trading in options, then there will be an expiry day. So if you're trading in Nifty options, there will be a weekly expiry and there will be a monthly expiry. If you're trading in Bank Nifty options, there will be a weekly expiry, there will be a monthly expiry. If you're trading in stock options, then there will be only monthly expiry. Okay? Now when you're trading in Nifty, the weekly expiry will be on every Thursday. Monthly expiry will be on the last Thursday of the month. Same way in Bank Nifty also. Weekly expiry, you will have it every Thursday. You will have monthly expiry on the last Thursday of the month. If you trade in stock options, the last Thursday of the month will be the expiry date. Now I will show you an example so that you can understand what is expiry better. Traders, if you just go to Google and search for option chain data and click enter, and then you go to this first website, you will be taken to this page. So this is NSE website, and what you're looking right now is Nifty option chain data. Now when a beginner looks at so much information, he might get confused and he might think this is complicated stuff. But don't worry, things are very simple. As of now, we are only trying to understand about what is expiry and how is expiry date calculated. Now in this option chain data, if I choose Nifty and then come to this section, that is the expiry date section, and click here, you will get many dates. All these are expiry dates. Some time back, what did I tell you? Nifty will have weekly expiry as well as monthly expiry. On what day will the expiry be? It will be on every Thursday. Now we have opened the calendar this side. So what does it say here? What is the first expiry date? It is 28th of April. On what day is 28th of April? Look at this calendar. It is on Thursday. So this Thursday is our expiry date. Now since this is the last Thursday of April, this Thursday is also considered as the monthly expiry. So this 28th April, the weekly expiry date, and also the monthly expiry date. Now after this, when is the next expiry? It is on May 5th. So if I go to the calendar, what day is May 5th? It is Thursday. Next Thursday, what is the date? It is 12th, right? If I come here to expiry, 12th May is the expiry date. Traders, I hope you're understanding this. Every Thursday in Nifty, there will be an expiry date. When the last Thursday of the month comes, in the month of May, if you see, 26th of May is a Thursday and it is the last Thursday of the month. So that is the monthly expiry date. This 5th of May, 12th of May, 19th of May, all these are weekly expiry, and 26th is weekly expiry, at the same time month end expiry date. Okay. So apart from Nifty, I told you even Bank Nifty will have weekly expiry date as well as monthly expiry date. So I have chosen Bank Nifty here. If I click on expiry, 28th April is the expiry, 5th May is the expiry, 12th May is the expiry. So see here, 28th April, last Thursday of the month, it is the monthly expiry date as well as the weekly expiry date. So May 5th is the next week expiry. After that, the next week expiry is also on 12th of May. That is the next Thursday. So last Thursday of the month is 26th. This will be both weekly expiry as well as monthly expiry. Now for stocks, I told you we do not have weekly expiry. I told we have only monthly expiry. Now if I go here, select this, you will get list of all the stocks which are eligible for option trading. Now let me check Asian Paints. If I choose Asian Paint and go to this expiry section and click here, 28th April is the first expiry, that is this last Thursday of the month. 26th May is the next expiry, so last Thursday of May is the expiry date, and 30th June is the third expiry date. 30th June is here, so this is also last Thursday. Now sometime there will be government holidays or public holidays, whatever it is. During that time, if it is on a Thursday, public holiday is on a Thursday, then one day before will be the expiry date. So let's say April 28th was the expiry date. That is the last Thursday of the month. Imagine on this day there was a holiday. At that time, Wednesday will become the expiry date because stock market is not open on Thursday. So one day before will be the expiry date. Wednesday also is a holiday. Thursday also is holiday. Then one day before, Tuesday will be the expiry date. So it's very important that you know what is expiry date and you understand the exact expiry date. Now why is expiry date important? On expiry date, if you see, most of the Thursdays after 1:30, a lot of volatility will be there in the market. This is because a lot of buyers will be closing their position, lot of sellers will be closing their position. On the expiry date, before market closes, if a person does not close his contract, that means he is accepting to take the position. At that time, he should have huge amount of money in his demat account, or else you will be severely charged by your broker. If you're not understanding what is delivery, all those things, I will be explaining this to you as we move forward, so nothing to worry. As of now, we are just concentrating on expiry. Traders, I hope you understood what expiry date is. If you're trading in stocks, there is no expiry. If you're trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty, you will have weekly expiry, monthly expiry. If you're trading in stock options, you will only have monthly expiry. Okay? Traders, it is very important that you understand what is expiry in option trading before we discuss about advanced topics. Now from the next video, you will start seeing more advanced concepts related to option trading. We'll start discussing in depth about option buyers and sellers, all those things. Traders, we are trying our best to provide you one video every day related to this option trading course. It takes a lot of time for us to create such content for you. I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.